live tonight until we get there. So guys, please.
Bye-bye. No, pick you
on the live, on the need for reach out to the family members and my friends and tell them say, yo, on the need for log on for the live and ensure say we reach 100,000 in a night. We not come off our live until we reach 100,000. So please, don't show up live, man, so we can reach 100,000 mark. Nah, me going at this so we can hold on. Yeah, man. So, hold on, be sure them are going over here so they can see what I'm going. Alright, so see where we there, you know. So, we don't need this is like a live count. See the account, we are count down, you know.
What's a 10 shot?
Yeah, man, so 10 shot, alright? Alright?
9.
It's a count down, so we don't need to cure. Yeah, man. Account down, you know.
Yo, what's that account now? 2!
Alright, it's a count down. So we need 8 more. Come on, come, we can do it, you know, come. We are watching live countdown, you know, so we need to, alright? Alright, so we are watching live countdown, so we need to continue telling our friend them to do the right thing. Alright, with the 6. Yeah, with the 6.
6 more to go.
Alright, so we are countdown.
6 more to go now, 6 more and then we chop in.
Counting down. Alright, so we are countdown. Alright.
5. Come on.
Somebody's in a bad cover.
6
4 more to go. I'm willing to knock the pot cover. I'm willing to knock the pot cover. 3 more to go. We're going in pot cover. Come on, people, come on. 3 more. Let's stop there. So 2 more.
Nah, stop, man. Nah, stop, man.
2 more. Roll the dice. Roll the dice.
Yeah, man, don't go over 100,000.
Roll the dice. Yes, 1 more. Roll the dice.
Oh, I'm live.
Roll the dice.
Alright. Oh, I'm live.
Yes.
101.
Alright. Sit there.
Hallelujah.
Sit there.
Achala mana mucha. Achala.
And still a count go on.
Got you. Yes. Roll the dice. Roll it. Yeah.
It's a run. Yeah, man, glory be
Thank
to the
you,
Lord.
guys.
Alright.
Roll the dice.
Yeah, man, glory be to the
Let me
Lord.
take a picture and put up.
Alright, so at this we're gonna send out this night, you know. We design it from day, you know. See there? Live call, we design it from day. That's why we're gonna send off it, so see there.
Hold on.
Alright, so hold on, I'm gonna switch back it over now. Cause we reach there, you know.
Yes.
So guys,
yes, we reach it. Still a count.
And the behalf of
100,000 subscribers. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. And it's gonna jump again. Yes,
who have been a part of the journey from day one.
It's gonna jump.
Honestly, we really appreciate every single subscriber. We did it from day one. Alright,
I'll tell you.
look up on graph there, so I'm showing exactly where the channel has come from. If you notice, now I'll switch it over. If you notice the graph, see the graph there, the flat line from 2000 and go right up to from 2000 and
yeah.
see the from
Subscribe.
when you
That's how we like to see it.
2000 in 2000 and now we're in 2001 reach 100,000. So within the space of that's a 1 year.
No, go up to 21, man. I have started 21. Go back to right.
Well, yeah, 10,000. From January, 11,000.
Yeah.
So from January till now,
We get 90,000.
we get 90,000 subs. And may I tell you, that within itself is an accomplishment.
Yeah, man.
It's an accomplishment. And me know so fire always say it, and me always say it, we could never ever reach just up. If it was a case where I'm the one that do it or a fire alone that do it, it takes a team. And not just with just YouTube, anything we are doing in life, You have to have a teamwork to make it work. Even on individual sports like even track and field.
Yeah, man.
You have to have a coach.
Yeah, man. And when I mean somebody, we give it the first start.
Damien.
You know what I mean? Because Damien reach out to me and say, "Fire, what go on?" You know what I mean? We tell him my reason. You know what I mean? I mean, I show him 100 cameras. So what go on for like show like carelessness. Them time we have to be a shot. We have to be a shot film, be a shot film. I say, yo, dada, when the pan road you want some long movie like XY, like carelessness, one by one and them show there. We capture back Jamaica vibration and we start kick it from Dosso. So that would be from January, said we start kick it. December, January. For the good man, we just start to be a long film for them. So it's a journey. You know what I mean? So the people that make it possible who tune in. And them really give you the courage and then like the comments them, you know what I mean? The good comments them will encourage you and say put in the work and some of the things that we put in the movie them talk about you mention it so you know so them pay attention. So you continue to give them good content, you know what I mean? So we see the vision where Jamaica is not at a good place. You know what I mean? So it's like we're fighting a war, but we're fighting the war with a different way of fighting a war to make changes come. Though this world don't really want it, I don't think they want changes in Jamaica really. So we are trying to do the best we can do for ourselves and who out there willing to put in the work. So where a movie is concerned, it's necessary for good content to come from Jamaica, you know what I mean? Because we're sensible people, you know what I mean? And only one problem we don't have unity. And that's the problem. We don't have unity because look what unity do. Everybody unite, we get 100K easy.
Yeah, because the people make you work.
People who are watch. You guys who are watching now, everybody come together and call whoever call and work. You know what I mean? If me alone there, I mean I call, but I call 500 man still don't get it. But because everybody out there do it, we get 100K easy. So enough respect. And let's push forward with unity though, because there's a lot of things to do. This is just the beginning. 100K is just a start. Come on, we say 1 million. When we get 1 million, we still go on go more than that because we have our job to do, and our job is to try and make the world a better place. You know what I mean? And where there is so much mental issue going on in Jamaica now, people stressing out. I hope that the movie them we do can really shed some light. And so my body when they have, they can really put a smile on their face because a lot of things going on where people need an outlet. And something for us take their mind off of the stress events that going on throughout the day, throughout life. You know what I mean? Something where them can relate to when there was a child, put a smile on their face, regardless, even something where them and their family can draw closer because of that one thing. Maybe it's a movie, maybe it's something like that we are trying to build, like it's a family structure, it's of unity, it's a movement, you know what I mean? Which are Brown Flames, Jamie Wood City, you know what I mean? We are pushing forward. So it's a positive vibration pushing forward. So big up and thanks to everyone who pushes forward. You know, big up to all that sponsor them, you know what I mean? Big up from where's your name? Reggae Vibes?
Yeah man, Reggae Vibes.
Big up Reggae Vibes, big up
Ilian. Yeah man, Jules, Antoinette, yeah.
All of them who have put out the effort behind the scene that
yeah man, because them people they go above and beyond.
Yeah man, so them push out the things them, so the effort, you know what I mean? So big up to all of the people them who I call them family, I call them friend. Big up to the family where I call them mother, I call them sister. Mommy, when the movie come out, you know, sister, when the movie come out,
let me switch the camera, 2 person, well, we have to make special mention of them. A matter of fact, we couldn't go tonight without actually make mention of them. I said Papaya and Candy are 2 of the most. And me even I say it to Fire today, say. But me never did talk about Papaya, we did talk about Candy. So as a female, she is one of the most loyal female to the movement. And part of it is because of the level of respect we have for me and Fire. And say, yo, we see no vision. And we make sure say, yo, me there and make it thing happen. And it same goes to Papaya. I'm a part of the thing, not long before we start even the YouTube, I'm a part of the thing. Even since not too long, I pull up a picture with him in the background, long before we had the YouTube. So a long time we know him, and for know him there, so even though him doing work, him go work every day in there, so almost every day to ensure say, yo, I'm a part of the thing. So those two special persons will have to make mention of them. And also Ackeen, because I'm one of the youth earlier when we start the YouTube.
Hello, 100,000 subscribers.
This is what can done on YouTube. And it make we start back, do back some work as it pertains to do YouTube. Before we start do the video there, we did a little cooking thing. And we see it's up chow. That's not our thing. We go back to our roots, which is doing movies from day one. And a long time me and Fire chat, long before we even start the movie. From 2009, 2010, back in them time there. And for now, so we still link, we still are bridging, we still are make the thing happen, and we still are make history.
About 2004.
But
2004 because 2004. On one turn we win the
so years
Rising Star.
A long time, but 2004.
Sure. That time we just did the music, you know what I mean? We're curious, but Jamaica music industry is not so fair, you know what I mean? And enough of the weird personality out there, them kill reggae music and dancehall music. Just because of greed, taking more than what they really need. You know what I mean? And them know themselves too. All of the big ones, them would have said on this and that. The amount of money I have to pay them to face song play. So I have put on music because of the whole thing there. Because we go across the island, you spend 10 million and pay body of money and then still not about you because they will grow on you. Because you spend 10 million and go take 20 today. You know what I mean? So that's why I put on music. But the good thing about that though, it carry me around the island, you know what I mean, from Kingston to Portmore, the other place, I go different studios across the island because anything I do, I go all out, you know what I mean, Mandeville, I go all of the places for music there. To do music, but Jamaica is a place like this, the people them who have the upper hand spend them lifetime trying to stifle whoever is trying to come, who are trying to reach. You know what I mean? So the individual thing they work out better more than the unity most of the time. You know what I mean? Because of whoever up there, no one you up there with them. And then want you down on the ground. You know what I mean? But when you can form a team of people we have the same idea, the same vision, so you're forward we go and no question now will ask. Because questions my time some people ask much question. The question I ask my time, it brings too much roadblock.
Yeah man, too much doubts to when I question them too.
You know what I mean? So I better just put in some work here, man. So this is what we do, 100,000K. You know what I mean? We support the right people them who are pushing forward. You know what I mean? So yo, give thanks man, 1 million man. You know what I mean? So we are pushed to 1 million next. You know what I mean? So we go 200 and then we go continue for joint funds. But we are, as soon as we get the plaque, we go do a live. Like the live concert,
official live,
live, we celebrate and give thanks. And I want everyone to be there, you know what I mean? In live and living colors, you can be there and watch and we just do it. We have the thing we can see what go on. Who perform, who do what they do, we pop 2 champagne, we do what we do, and then the journey continues, you know what I mean? Because when I reach a certain point, you must always recognize the journey and then you put on the next portion of work to go to the next part. You know what I mean? Acknowledge that to go.
Yeah man, because there's always another level to go, you know.
Yeah man.
You know what I say? There's always another level to go in anything we are doing. And we are one set of youth, we never feel comfortable nor complacent in what we are doing. In making moves, we always feel like we always can do better. And that's a part of we continue to ensure, so yo, we put in the work where it's necessary to put in terms of make the thing them happen. And what we are doing, I don't know, easy thing. But tell people that every day, getting up every single day and doing the same thing over and over like a routine, it's nothing easy. You know what I mean? But we believe in what we are doing. And I mean, we see, because the thing is, you know, you always can use people as an example and people who go out there and create an impact and make an impact. In the world of making movies as it pertains to even YouTube. And we see what happened with those people and what them accomplish and the history what they set. So the same thing with Jamaica, we say there is a need for content in regards to making movies. Because even though we have people in Jamaica, I don't think enough movies are being done in Jamaica in terms of overtime, because I mean we do one movie and then the next 10 years in do our next movie, but it can't really make the type of impact we need to make worldwide when you do that. So our thing is, we not just want to make movie, make some money, we want to create history. And I think tonight we actually do that in some respects in terms of for some youth who do not just some little short skit, but we are the full length movies on YouTube, and we reach 100,000 sub in a night. So for me and for the rest of the team.
The good news. There's a good news, you know. The good news is we have 2 Black Magic now.
Yes.
We just need one Black Magic lens now to come in next. Then after that, we're going to need one of them good computer there with good memory to can facilitate the type of work we're really going to put in. Because
right now we're going to limit ourselves in the quality of Black Magic.
Because the Black Magic shoot a high quality like the next quality. You know what I mean? And at that time we want to do the best we can do same way. So we don't really want to have the high quality camera and not go shoot low quality with it. It don't make no sense. But I already have a look at one and I'm going to work with them till we can do. So we go on the computer earlier. We're going to figure out how we get it still for interest so we can get that, to have that to ensure. Because I have some ideas where I don't really feel low budget. You know what I mean? Because like I'm born for do it. I'm born for the movie. I'm born for write movie. So it's like writing a movie is nothing to me. You know what I mean? Because it just come naturally. Me just reason the most side and it come. I don't try to block my mind and cut my mind about a different thing. I try to keep my day. I like my day to be cool. You know what I mean? Cool and easy. I don't like my day to be full of too much excitement and too much drama. You know what I mean? So you're going to get to know more about me because we think I come up with the name One Shot at Love. You know what I mean? We'll do one more movie pertaining to that and then we'll go to the reality show. Where we go have 8 female compete for love. You know what I mean? So that's going to be interesting same way. So one family say anything me I don't know know we have the same way because the one movement. So you go see the movie that come out the next movie, Watch That Love, same name but it's a different
style. Yeah man.
Yeah, so just stay tuned and continue watching and you continue to support and we go push it forward. You know what I mean? And remember what we are trying to do, it for the ground and do it. So more in the future the people on the ground can afford to do movie too. We don't want the movie going on back in the part after a time, no people can the movie again. So we are trying to ensure so we can lift that legacy. We don't want it to turn out like reggae music. You know what I mean? Other people take it and abuse it and go on with it and now we don't have a control over it. We want to have a control over what we are doing. You know what I mean? At all times. So see in future, yeah. Ready girl? Come talk to them. I'm going to start it. You afraid? See Leah. Say hello, good night.
Well, I give phone if I just read a message. Go on.
Yeah, see Leah again. Leah, say good night to the people.
Good night.
Ask them how they're doing.
We are doing.
We get 100K, so thank you.
Thank you.
Very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And continue watching.
Thank you for watching.
As we provide content.
Content.
As we provide
Yes.
content for you guys.
Content for you guys.
Yeah, she's learning to talk now, you know what I mean? She still can't talk enough like me. You know what I mean? But at time, she's just coming in. You alright though girl, right?
Yes.
Alright, say good night.
Good night.
And we talk again soon.
Alright.
Alright, so boy done. So wave to them and tell them goodbye.
Bye.
You want to go watch a cartoon now?
Yes.
Alright, go and watch a cartoon. Alright, bunny down, keep ground. Yeah man, Leah out of watching cartoons, kind of if we go in bed, sex speed, you know what I mean? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life at all times, you know what I mean? It's always a joy to talk to the people them and communicate and relate to what's going on, you know what I mean? Yeah man, it's a blessed night man, thanks to everybody out there, you know what I mean? Thanks to the people who do the super chat, thanks to... Yeah man, thanks to those who want to do cash up. Yeah, thanks that you can cash up to Richard Brown Flames, you can DM him, you know what I mean? If you want to do a donation forward, you know you can, yeah. Yeah, go watch him cartoon, can you say him do film part him pass through, you know what I mean? Come bless the night said you know what I mean? So she want to come down a while ago, she live up with her mother, you know what I mean? So she come to share forward down, so it's a blessing, you know what I mean? When the kids them can forward and them can show you and appreciate. She want to be in a movie too, so she come down and get her a movie before she go and set speed, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so big up to all of the support of them You know what I mean? Big up to all of the fans them out there.
I never expect you to reach.
Alright.
I never expect
Big up
you.
on girl, and girl on the bottom.
Oh, I never expect you to do enough fire.
Girl some call out, you know.
Like a Renisha.
Yeah, man, baby.
How much Renisha? I don't want to call you wrong. Renisha. Alright, so big up yourself, Renisha. I don't want to make sure I don't call your name wrong, but Renisha, I think that's how you pronounce. Alright, so as a fire, so we just reached 100k. I never expected. Alright, DM me on Richard Brown Films on Instagram. We can talk about any form of number because I really love give out number. You see me? I really love give out number. But anyhow, I never expected we would reach 100,000 because based on when we did see on the channel, when we get up this morning, we did need 200 subscribers and we got the 200 in a day. So for me, I feel like that's a milestone. Plus we post one video this morning too. So that plus that's an additional bonus. I don't know, I have to go through YouTube now and figure out how to apply for the plaque. Or maybe YouTube might send me a direct message say you can apply for the plaque. I don't know what part they go. Me figure out that. But anyway, I guess probably you're not going to email me so quick. But I feel super excited. We just need to just get a piece of food now we hand now so we can do a little small celebration. I don't want to do not much, or I might just wait until we officially get the plaque. Then we can say, alright, we get the plaque, and yeah, that's some form of success. But apart from that, there's a whole lot of things we have in store that we want to actually do and that we have in the pipeline. But we're not going to rush nothing. We're just going to make everything fall into place as in regards to some of the plans that we have. Once we get the plaque, we have something planned specifically for that, and also we have something planned for the end of the year that we're gonna launch. So that within itself are gonna be something where we can talk about coming down to December. Also, the official Richard Brown Films shirts, them are come. So when them reach me now, then we can actually send the persons them way supposed to get the shirts then. You see me? But apart from that, I appreciate all the support that we've been getting from every single person that support us behind the scenes in terms of those calls, the person them way message us and you know, just to say boy we love what we do, and if them want to support financially, them send it. If them not, well, that's okay. We appreciate the fact that you share the videos up, because sometimes even though money is very important and it's like 75% of what drives any business, a big part of it is the support that we get in regards to people sharing up the video, and I tell people say, yo, no, go and follow the thing, man, and watch the videos them, and I ensure say everything that we do is fully supported. Because you see, the thing is, we live in a country where rough, and we not pretend like, you know, rough, and for us we are do something where, and I like say we're rich or we can really afford it. It's just that we have a vision and we have a set of skills. For having writing skills, me know the filming, the editing aspect, you know. So with all them things there, with the skill, we just use that as the driving force towards how we are do. But it's a great look. You know, the future look bright. I mean, if we count the amount of movies where we do this this year, we do quite a few. So if we can probably continue on the same path or even improve for next year, we can even reach 500,000 subs by next year if we can continue to do what we do. And I think that's one of the main reasons why we think we want to go to the national TV station when we get the plaque, because I feel like that within itself we make people who don't know about the channel actually know about it. Because if we are planning to reach the 500,000 subs, we have to really take another step out and make some nice, as a fire say, to make people know so we're there. Because I feel like that's one of the challenges. People just don't know that we exist. You know what I say? People who hook on to them Netflix and hook on to them other platforms where them watch movies, and they just don't know that we exist. I feel like once more Jamaican outside of Jamaica who live in Jamaica know say yo we exist, then we're gonna reach 500,000 or 1 million sub. You see, because me These are youth, me very, where should I put it? Me very, when it comes to talking about myself and talking about what we do, me critique what we do. And I always feel like so we can get better, but with getting better comes with more subscriber, generating more income, so we always can take more time to do what we are do. We can try to get them on different streaming platforms, all them little things there, but nonetheless we just continue to do the work while we get the support from our local people. You know what I mean? I say we don't see nobody jumping yet from a corporate or nobody up top, but we're not worried about that, because at the end of the day, if we sit and worry about what we don't have and who no link with, we probably not get nothing done. So we just go and do what we need to do on our side, and we'll see how next year go. Hopefully everything calm down, all of the little noise we are make, all of the little problem that Jamaica face right now in regards to that little something that we are going. When that done, then we know so next year things we normalize and things we start from an upward movement. So let's watch and see what going while we continue to do what we do. For you, I have nothing to say before we jump off our live. Because I'm going to run off our live, you know, me thank you very much.
Yeah man,
We'll see how it go.
As we push the movie industry further, we always be looking for new talents, you know what I mean? So if you're out there and you feel like you can act, but one of the next thing what we need to do, because we realize that's the biggest problem in Jamaica. We don't know how to communicate. And that's a problem. So many times some people come but them can't talk. You know what I mean? They really want to do it but they can't hold a conversation. And that's something, it's not really good. Because when you can't hold a conversation, that makes you want to fight.
You can't express yourself.
You can't express yourself, really. So that's one I think we are teach each other now how to communicate. That means say you just use words. Use your words. You know what I mean? Your words is very powerful. But you learn how to, alright, if you go to school, because some young kids must have watched you, learn the English language, you know what I mean? And then try to capture back your Jamaican language.
Yeah, because what happened with the English language, you know, you learn when you do English at school, you do story writing too, you know.
Yeah,
so you can express yourself.
So express yourself. Learn to express yourself, you know what I mean? Learn to communicate and listen. Because that's one I think most people don't. They don't listen. So you listen and then think and then talk. That means say it makes sense what you say. You know what I mean? Some things like that are a problem. But apart from that, we always need new actresses. So always reach out. If you're just DM Richard Bro Films, if you feel like you have the potential. We don't have to work with too much man. Man love fight too much. So we can't manage to fight. It's not that woman cuss and vex up themselves and rare, but man, they go say, boy, I go for my long gun, but I can't manage violence. Some rather work with 500 women, before me know. So at the end of the day, only thing I say, yo girl, me fight here now, and then you can part the fight. And nobody now say, I go for no AK, nobody now go for no rifle, and we can't bother it.
I don't like, man, they don't fight too much and that, but I go for gun.
Man, I go for gun and shell place. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, ready again.
Yeah, man, so always I look forward to females, you know what I mean? So,
Right,
intelligent females, and those females that were real to themselves. Stay true to yourself and it's good, because you don't need to, they don't need to go to school for acting, because anything you learn already, we will teach you something you never learn it. Because we just want it natural. You don't have to have no acting experience, you have to just can be yourself. And that's so easy to do. So once you're not lost in our world, and you're good.
What go on with the internet? Internet, how go on? It's internet for me.
Super. Yeah? You cartoon change? You want somebody help you?
Hey, just close here, man, because the internet.
Alright, the internet are going. So alright, so everybody big up on yourself, 100K. You know what I mean? So, Jamaica City, Richard Brown Films from JA, say yo, keep the peace. One love at all times. Nobody no super chat tonight, but everything good. 100K. You know, Bunny though. How about thing go on? Yeah, man, no girl.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, we're going on for the live. And one more thing before we want to make this clear. We're good with everybody. That's one of the main things. We're good with everybody. Regardless of people, some people might be on the outside and I think and I say, oh, maybe I demand this. We're good with everybody. Because at the end of the day, our objective is to make movie. That's our main objective. Everything else can come after. Everything else can come after. Our main objective is to make movies. You see me? So I want to big up on yourself. Thank you. Yeah, man.
When I capture candid moments and people and everybody excited, Milestone reach me there behind the camera, isn't it? Yeah, big up on yourself.
Alright, so yeah, man. So thank you to everybody that has been supporting what we do. Popeye, Candy, the entire team, Alton, Brown Man. You know, every single person. Ackeen, big up yourself. and keep on supporting what we while we do what we do. Thank you to Antoinette. Thank you to Jules. I mean, everybody, we thank you now.